Just like you, I'm also a huge fan of Midjourney, but this tool I'm gonna show you today in this video, this is at least 10 times better. Why? I'll share it with you several different reasons. One of them is you can actually write text inside the images that you create. Midjourney, you can't do it. And it is absolutely free. So there are unlimited possibilities with this tool. It's called Ideogram AI. Before we jump into the demo, make sure you like and share this video so more people can see this. All right, so to get access, just go to the URL ideogram.ai and then you can sign up with your Gmail and then log in. Let me log into my account and show you from inside. So here is the inside Ideogram AI simple interface. I can see the recent creation from other people. Look at the quality of this artwork, and people can create logos, designs, images for social media, t-shirt designs I've seen. Look at this one. Here's a really good one. So a couple of different ways I want to show you how to use this tool. So let's say you find a this design right here. It's a t-shirt design, and let's say you like it and you want to create something similar. So one of the ways you can use Ideogram is you can just remix the existing creations. It's going to bring everything here: t-shirt style, vintage. This is microservice, high detail. And here, instead of saying this text, I'll just change the text. So I'm going to say, work smart, not hard. And from here, I'll say text. This is the text I want. Now, if you look underneath, there are different styles here: 3D, poster, photo. You can pick these different styles, or click and then or go with what was already there in the existing creation. I'm actually going to add 3D, cinematic. So I'm going to add a couple of different styles of my own, and then click on generate. And then using that someone else's creation, their design, it is going to generate another design for me. And it just give it a few seconds. It's loading up. And look at this. Let me make it bigger so you can see it, and also change the size of this so you can see there are 4 different designs. Not sure if you can see. Now you might be able to see. Let me make it more. See how there are 4 designs here? How cool is this, right? So you can take any creation from any existing design and remix it, even logos. So sometimes if I find a logo, I don't know if this is a logo. Yeah, it looks like it's a illustration. You can use it. You can make changes to it. You can change the text to it. So that's a really easy way. Here is another t-shirt design. That's awesome. All right, now, oh, here's a really cool, that's a poster, I believe, sticker. So you can design stickers too, and you can just remix this and use it. Now, let's say you wanted to create something from scratch. This is the prompt area. So just come here and enter your prompt. Here is the prompt that I want to use as an example. So vector design. And then the text I want to use is eat, sleep, game, repeat. Don't ask me why. Now, let's pick some styles for this. I want to do poster, cinematic, graffiti. You can pick others too if you like. Now here's the cool thing: you can pick the format of your image. You want a vertical, square, or horizontal. Let's go with square, why not? And then click on generate. And now it's gonna take a few seconds and generate this design, this vector. Ooh, this is actually really fast. So imagine if you are posting stuff on Instagram. A lot of times people used to use different apps to design creative images. Guess what? You don't have to use any paid app. Just use this free tool. I'll click here, and now I can go through. Ooh, I love this design. By the way, even though I didn't say t-shirt, but I can take this, remove the background, and also use this design for different t-shirts. So you can design t-shirts, you can design logos, you can design posters, you can design images using this free, no payment. It's all free. And then when you like it, just click here and it will download this. If you want to share this with someone, just click here, it will share it. And then all of your creation, if you click on your icon, all of your creation will be saved. So all the images that I've created using Ideogram it is all saved here. Any person that I follow, they will also show up here because you can follow other creators. So awesome tool, AI tool, absolutely free. Ideogram.ai. Any questions, let me know before you go like and share this video so more people can see this, and I'll see you in this next video. Bye for now.